Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to add saved audio in Instagram Reels. So let's get started. The quickest and easiest way to create an Instagram Reels with your favorite audio is to save the audio from an existing reel and then add it to your Instagram Reels while creating your own. First open Instagram app on your mobile. Then find the reel video whose audio you wish to use in your Reels. At the bottom, you will find the song title. Just tap on it. Tap on Save Audio button to save the song or music to your Instagram profile. Now go back to home screen and go to your profile by tapping on profile icon located at the bottom right corner. Tap on plus icon at the top right and from here tap on Reels option for creating an Instagram Reels. On the reel screen, tap on music icon on the left. On the top, you will find saved button. This is where you will find all the music that you had saved from other reels. Just tap on saved button. Now select the music that you wish to add to your reels. Now tap on done button. You can create reel as usual, add stickers, layout and other stuff and then post it in the regular way. So that is how you can create Instagram Reels with saved audio. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.